This is the Amazon Firestick TV.
The Firestick TV comes with multiple accessories. This is the unboxing. Now, it's a little hard. Okay, so it comes in the first box. When you open it, you have a HDMI to HDMI. So it's probably, if you have an angle in your TV, you might want to use this. Then there is, of course, the Amazon Firestick. It is also HDMI, so if you have an angle, you can place this on. Wait. And you have the power outlet. Then you can then I'm gonna put this to the side and put the box here. Then we have inside of here the power brick. So it's fairly decent power brick. It is, it's 5 watts, so it should give enough power. So there's something to mention, that there's no battery inside, so it needs to always be plugged in, but it's still a stick, so I think it should be fine. Then we have, of course, the cable, which is fairly long. Seems to be a bit more than a meter. Gotta put this to the side. And we of course have the paperwork, Amazon Firestick, the manual, content, this in Spanish, and also the terms and services and all the different kind of things to know. So this is what we get in the content. This is everything. Now the one that I have is 1080p, so it's HD. And you might want to check on your TV what kind of TV it is. If it's a 4K, consider taking the 4K one, because it'll be better quality. And if you have a 1080p TV, take the 1080p one, because if you take the 4K one, it won't work on it. I forgot to mention that there's a remote which comes with the package. So this is the older version. Now in the new version you can also have one that also works for your TV. Now you have 6 buttons: the home, pause, play, skip, back in the menu. And you also have this nice round part which is used to click forward, sides, backwards. It uses batteries, so if you wait a second, it uses 2 AAA batteries. Here you can see, I'm gonna put one in, which is I think on this side. Sometimes the batteries are included inside. I think on this version it is included. I don't know if on the others it is. And then there's the back panel that just comes over and slides in. Don't worry, it is pretty hard to take off. There you go, so it won't slip off. To plug in your Amazon Firestick TV, all you need to do is take your power brick, place it in your outlet, plug it in, then take your USB cable, take the USB side, plug it in as well, and go to your TV, take your Amazon stick and plug it in the first HDMI. You often have two HDMI, it doesn't matter which one you take, as long as you remember which one it is. This one is number 2. Then you take your cable and place it inside so that you can plug it and give it power. You're now all set to go. Just turn on your TV, and go to the HDMI. So click on the source of your here and go to HDMI 2 or HDMI 1, comparing to where you plugged your Amazon Firestick. So this should be the home screen. Wait a second. It's loading. Now, with your controller, you can use it to move around. So for example, I want to go to Netflix or YouTube or internet. By the way, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe and like and comment on this video if you like this kind of content. There's also Prime Video if you have the Prime version of Amazon. You also have Amazon Music, movies, and you have a lot of different apps. So like Molotov is for TV. You also have the Apple TV on it, so you don't need to actually buy an Apple TV. You can get Spotify. There's really a lot of things to go to. You can also have some games like here, but you'll need a controller to play with them. You can also put some of your videos on it, so if you have downloaded videos, you can put them on. Have movies, TV shows, apps, and of course, your settings. Thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you all in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and comment if you have any ideas of videos you'd like me to do, or if you like this kind of content. Thanks for watching. Bye.